Hello folks, this is Ted White, and today I'm going to show you how to remove an object from a video in CapCut PC. Now what we're going to remove today will be this light switch right here. Let's check it out. Alright folks, so the first thing we're going to do today is we're going to import the file that we want to remove the object on. So I'm going to click on this file and click open. From there I'm going to take this clip and I'm going to move it down to the timeline here. And then I'm going to right click on it and I'm going to select copy, and then I am going to right click above the clip and click on paste. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure I'm going to actually go down to the bottom clip here and I'm going to click hide track. And then I'm going to click on the top track, make sure the top track is highlighted. Under video, there's basic. I'm gonna go over to mask, and then for this, I'm going to be hiding or removing the light switch from the video clip. So I'm going to click on rectangle because it's the same shape as the light switch. Okay, and then the reason I hid this track is because it just makes it that much easier to see what we're actually covering when we mask here. And I'm trying to get the same size as the light switch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag it this way, move this to the center, and then drag this up, and then drag this way. And then simply what you do is you click off of it for a second. So you right above this clip, you click off, and then it shows you what it's masking, okay? Or what the shape is, what it's kind of covering. So I am going to make this a little bit smaller, and then I'm going to click off, and that's still big enough, but maybe I make it a little bit wider. And I just want to make sure I don't get any of the trim here, so I'm going to click off this. Okay, that looks to be pretty good. So I actually don't want it there. I want it to go right above because we want to use this blue up here, this wall, as the mask. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to unhide the lower track because we have the correct size here. I'm going to unhide the lower track, and then the mask is right here, so I know to pull it down. So what you do is from this screen you just go over to basic, and then you just click on the screen. You click on the screen and hold it and drag it down. So I'm click, hold, drag down. Okay? So there, the light switch looks to be hidden. I'm going to put it on full screen. It's pretty well hidden. It may not be perfect, okay? One thing that you can do, I will show you, is you can go over up here, click on right here. So click on the arrows up on the top right, and then I don't know why it's showing this, but it should be adjustment. Okay, and then what you can do is you go down and you can mess around with the saturation. Okay, and as you can see, the saturation of that little square or the rectangle that I picked is changing. I'm going to leave it at 0. Exposure, so now you can really see what this is doing. Okay, but I'm going to leave it just at the 0. And then contrast, same thing, okay? You can mess around with these if it's not perfect and try to make it so that it matches what you're looking for. But for this particular job, I feel like this is good enough. You can, if you don't think it's good enough, you can leave it in the comments, and if it looks different on your particular screen, you know, let me know. Anyway, I'm gonna turn the volume down. I'm going to reduce the volume for these clips. I'm going to play it. And then you're going to see me walk out in front here. and we're gonna catch something. Okay? And you notice that. So do you see this right here? That's, that's unacceptable, and I can't leave you folks with that. I could have cut that earlier and just pretended like that never happened, but I'm sorry, I'm not that type of person. So I'm gonna give you a fix for this. So it's quite as simple as, so we already copied this clip initially. You can do it again if you want. So the lower clip we can copy, and then what we're gonna do is up above here, we're going to right click and paste. Now it actually didn't go above. This is the middle clip, and I wanted this clip to go above, but this is the highlighted clip that just got pasted. So I'm going to put it above the middle clip, okay? And then you want this top clip highlighted. You want to go up to the top right and change the arrow and go back to video. And then beside basic, you want to hit remove BG, and you want to auto remove the background. Okay? And this is going to process. It's going to be a minute. I'll come back when it's all done, and we will witness the final product here. Alright folks, so auto cutout has been completed. I'm going to put it on full screen and we're going to take a look. Everything looks pretty good here without the light switch, and let's just see if there's any reflection after playing this. So far it looks pretty good. Here I go, and there's nothing. We're good. So folks, that is how you properly mask and remove an object in CapCut PC from a video clip. And I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.